Hey, it's Chase with Legend Suspensions, and if you're looking to submit a warranty claim or have some service work done to your shocks, we've got an awesome and really efficient new system, and we're going to walk you through that process and show you just how easy it is. We'll show you here on the screen exactly what that looks like, help you get it done. When submitting a warranty claim, the first thing you will do is go to legendsuspensions.com, and you will see on the top right-hand side of the screen the support tab. When you click that support tab, it will take you to the help center where you will see warranty returns. When you click warranty returns, it will bring you to an article where we have listed a lot of important information on the warranty returns screen. Please review this information, and at the bottom you will see online warranty claim form. Once you click the claim form, you will be asked to either log into your My Legend account or create an account if you do not have one already. Once you've reached the Legend Suspensions warranty claim form, please fill out the rider-specific form with all of your information as detailed as possible. Once you get towards the bottom of the page, you will see a box where you can enter a detailed description of your issue as well as upload pictures and your proof of purchase. Please note if you are inquiring about something suspension related, that we would prefer any photographs be sent while mounted on the bike. Once you hit the submit button, you will receive confirmation and be contacted with a return authorization number. We hope you found our new process simple and easy in the step-by-step guide. If you have any questions, you can always shoot us an email, service@legendsuspensions.com, and we'd be happy to help you there as well. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. I won. Escape. You f***er, I shot you. Enhance. Just print the damn picture. That was a gravity bomb if you're playing the drums, you know, it's like.